do Pumas, Black Pumas colors. We're going to be at the 9th fret for most of this. Right, and we're going to figure out how they can play this song. Alright, starts out with like kind of like an A sound, but it's an F minor 7. Here's our F, it's the F sharp, I'm sorry, minor 7. Here's our F sharp. Okay, and we're just playing like part of this larger bar chord. We're just playing strings 4, 3, and 2. Now when you play the high E in there, you're playing an A chord. D-shaped A. Okay, like if we go D, E, F, G, got an A-shaped D. And then we put this bass minor 7. And then it goes to E. Okay, that's an A-shaped chord. That, like you learn it here in the open position. But if we go A, B, C, D, E. At the 9th fret, it's an E. Right, so that's the 3rd chord. And then the 4th chord, we're gonna play like this F shape, and that would be technically a C sharp major. Right, we're taking this F shape that you learn when you first start playing chords. F, G, A, B, C, C sharp. Alright, so that's what we were doing, this F minor 7 and A. We're going back and forth by hammering. Then we go minor, E, C sharp major, then back to the F minor 7, A, F sharp 7. And that's how they can play that all in this very small position of the fretboard. But you see, F sharp minor has A built right into it. So basically, you're going in when they go into the song. You're on this for 1 whole measure on F sharp, 1 measure on A, half measure on E, half a bar on C sharp, and then back to the... Okay, that's my lesson on this song. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Thanks, bye.